Hello, this is Martin Pitt from Red Hat's Cockpit team. The web console is known as a troubleshooting and learning tool for individual machines. Today I want to show a new workflow that combines that with larger scale automation. It can be summarized as show me what I have done. Here I have two machines, server 1 and server 2, both running a web server. I want them to serve pages from users' home directories now. As user admin on server 1, I created a simple hello file on my public HTML directory. Let's get that to the web server now. Oh, that didn't work. So let's find out why. A good place to start is always the logs page, and that shows us that there is an SELinux policy preventing the access to public HTML. Let's have a look at the SELinux page, and we see the troubleshooter indeed picked up that problem. It shows us several possible solutions. The topmost one sounds very plausible. That's what we want. Let's apply that solution. Apparently this was successful, so let's retry with a web server. And indeed that is now able to serve content from public HTML. So this fixed it for server 1, but what about all my other machines? We haven't done anything yet to server 2, so of course that didn't work yet. So how do I apply this tested solution to all my other machines now? This is where the system modifications table comes into play. It shows the SELinux policy changes compared to the operating system's default in human readable form, including the one option that we just set. We can turn this into an automation script now. This comes in two forms. First, as a simple shell script. That's a universal format that works with every configuration management system out there. And also as an Ansible playbook role. Let's try that. I can plug this into my existing Ansible setup. My main playbook refers to an SELinux role, so let's create that. Here I just paste in the role that I got from the Ansible automation dialog. Time to run our playbook. This applies the new role, in particular the SELinux policy change, to server 2. Although of course in principle it can apply the same change to any number of machines now. Let's validate that this worked. Go back to server 2's web server. And that now indeed is also able to serve content from public HTML. We believe that this approach combines the strengths of single machine troubleshooting and automation in an easy to use and accessible way. We want to look out for other web console pages where this approach makes sense, and we would be happy to discuss this with you. Thank you for your attention.